You will need a piece of foam. You could use a styrofoam plate even, a dull writing instrument and some markers, and a spray bottle full of water. If you don't have those items, you can create a pattern on a piece of paper with whatever tools you have. So today we're going to do a little simple printmaking. I'm going to start with some line patterns. I'm going to use a pen. You could use anything with a dull tip. So I'm going to do some zigzag lines. And remember, a pattern is something that repeats. So that means I need a zigzag up here. It can be a little tricky at times to work with the foam. So if you get to a part where you're having a hard time, just lift up your writing utensil and see if that helps. Do is add some shapes too. If your writing utensil doesn't work, that's okay because we're actually using the imprints on the foam. All right, now that I've had that done, here comes the fun part because I'm going to start to add color. I'm just going to be using a water-soluble marker, so that basically means anything except for permanent markers. And I'm going to use multiple colors. Remember how we like to create that fence on the outside so we can keep our colors in. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to grab a new piece of paper and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water. So just get that a little bit wet. I'm going to use a little bit of a paper towel to kind of wipe that off. All right. So now I'm going to flip this over only on half so I can use the other half again. I'm just going to push it down nice and good. And if I did this right, I should get a print. Now I've actually got enough color on this that I think I can print it again with the same markers. So just put this down. So a little bit lighter, but it still worked, and I've still got some more color, so I could go again if I wanted to. This is my finished artwork, and I'm going to save it to do something special with it next week. Remember to take a picture and share it in Google Classroom.